And here, this one is this one. Mama, coffee mug.
Oh my God, Salvatore!
Beanie, whatever.
What? Come on, sweetheart. Where's my baby boy? Come.
Mommy, I didn't get to hug you.
Oh no, you did not come to me. The first one who came to me is Salvatore.
I was coming here and you ignored me.
He's getting dirty.
Because you picked and did not run. And the one who ran is Salvatore. We should run.
And you're not allowed to run to different places.
Can I bite your cheeks?
No.
Can I bite your butt?
No. Try my foot.
Come here, Salvatore.
Okay, real question. Am I sleeping in here with you guys or what?
Yes, because we gotta check out tomorrow anyway.
Cool.
Okay, come. Just checking.
No,
And no, I'm not sleeping with Sean.
Who's gonna sleep with Kuya? I love you. I miss you.
I don't stink.
So again?
I don't stink.
Yeah, it actually smells good.
You didn't took a shower
Okay,
on the
you go now.
flight.
I wanted to take a shower in the morning, but no time.
Who?
Me.
Why you want to take a shower in the morning?
I took a shower last
Early
night.
morning, what time you guys left?
Like 6:04.
No,
or something.
5.
I woke him up at 5.
Give me a hug.
It's
The best
5:30.
hug. The best hug.
Oh, you do it late? Oh my god.
Excuse me? You're talking me again, Wade? How dare you?
I'm fine.
Kuya, you have ano? Why you so have a long hair?
Cause it's nice.
He never cut it.
You called it nice? Look at that. How
It's because it's the end of the day and I just laid
are
down.
you losing hair too? Kinda. Sean, you look like you're losing your hair.
I want you.
Do you have hair fall too?
Mama.
Like, look at this one. Oh,
Mama.
yeah, you are. Look at that. I almost see your scalp.
It doesn't. It's get any thinner.
Yeah, it's getting, I know. I'm seeing your scalp.
Oh, I have cancer.
Are you gonna
I
look
become
like
Caillou. Oh my
Who's
God.
Caillou?
Caillou, the show.
I don't know. Caillou, tatay. Come. Ito naman, napaka-arte. You want me? I keep on ano. I love you. Are you happy now? Tell me what happened in your ano.
By the way,
Did
my love,
you-
have you been receiving notifications
You
from Blue
fart
Hills?
now.
Hmm?
Have you received
Yes.
Someone farted now.
Kuya. Kuya Park! Kuya Park! You utot! Utot me! Utot baho! Utot
What am I, a
baho!
scapegoat, huh?
Kuya, utot baho.
But
Really?
anyway, so the apartment
Tatay, I'm
The
coming.
apartment
Come on,
is in,
Karen.
is in perfect position.
Mommy.
Ito naman. Come. Come here.
Hi, Mama.
I thought they were the last day that I had to go.
Mommy.
No, I didn't have to go and do that, but yeah.
I miss you all.
So the apartment, I did all of the laundry and
Mhm.
folded it away.
Wow, the best.
Yeah.
Pogi points, ah. Oh.
The only thing that is missing was the wipes because there wasn't enough to run the stuff. But
It's
there's
okay.
a wash stuff for Sean, for Salvatore, for you.
Mhm.
He washed your underwear.
Thanks,
good.
Ina.
Yeah, of course. You know, it's not as if I'm not seen mom's underwear before. So,
Did Tatay wash your underwear, Nemo?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Nina?
because they
How's
didn't-
Nemo?
He washed his underwear.
I basically unpacked and repacked everything,
Uh-huh.
and their backpacks are inside their.
Nina, you can
thing.
just tie your hair like this, ah.
When
Nobody tie your hair for the last 1 week.
No, not true. I tied every day other than for today. Sorry, love. I
He
didn't
never
You're
tie
running a
tied
bit
my
late.
hair.
Huh?
You're running a bit late coming out.
Are you late checking in?
No? Oh, we
No,
checked
no.
in the night before, right?
We never checked him.
Oh, we checked in the night before.
We
No, the check-in, no, for the flight was perfect, but I was not going to spend extra 5 minutes and give her less time to sleep
We
just to do that. So,
Let me fix your hair, baby.
You give me a
And you're gonna like this, Mom. I waited until we got to the airport so I could use the restroom.
You can what?
I
and
waited
of course, right before security decided to go to the restroom.
Finish, Kuya?
I hold my teeth
Because otherwise you're going to get a problem
Then
insecurity.
we went to security
I wanted to do it after, but no.
because he don't let me.
Who, Kuya?
No, Daddy.
Why?
He only let me in Florida.
What?
What?
What
For
are you
6
on about?
hours?
What are you
Tata.
on about?
Not true.
You did.
Not true.
You did.
No.
What time you go to bed? That's my question, guys.
Ask that to Nemo.
9:50.
Tatay. Oh, why are you looking at me?
No, it's fair.
Tatay, you know their schedule. They're going to school, so you let them to bed 9:50. Tatay, See?
No.
Without
Trust
me,
me.
without me, you guys
No,
struggle.
it takes two people to be able to do it.
Mom, you would have beat their ass if they didn't go to bed. Okay.
And no, I let them go. It was okay.
You let me go. You let me
We
here.
let Nemo play Roblox.
Why you guys?
Okay. So what are the plans for tomorrow, though?
We're gonna
What-
check out.
Yes.
So,
And
what are we doing tomorrow?
We're gonna go check in.
But where?
But
You did not know? I sent the email to you.
anything else? Is that all we're doing that tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow. We're all gonna do it tomorrow, Kuya.
Right,
Okay.
but
Can
no,
we
no,
do
but
things
where are we going to go now? Because we have essentially 2 days. We have Monday and Tuesday.
So, which
And
one you
tomorrow.
want to go? You can go to the Rocket Museum. We can go to.
What I would do is I would check out reasonably early today, tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
go to the Rocket Museum because it's not closed. You have to get all the way to the
Mhm.
coast and back.
Okay.
And then
Yes, sir.
tomorrow Disney World.
Oh, no train
Away
stuff.
from Convention, my love.
It was so much fun, and I know you guys coming, so I danced till 2 a.m. We were there all in Syncon right there, all the props, and we just keep on dancing. We met people, and we make a group together. We keep on. I met Eric Arthur from New York, and then there's another Fernando because what's her name? Elizabeth Taylor is actually Latina. So you know when you have Latina friends, everybody's friends.
I
And
don't know
all
any of these
Latino
people.
then.
Yeah.
So it's
Also,
fun.
next year I'm coming to.
Next year. So who's gonna watch the kids, Kuya Sean?
Not
We're
me.
going to figure something out.
Sean babysitter.
Pay someone.
You can go in the pool and swim.
Sean is babysitter.
Yeah.
We'll have to bring
I wouldn't be a
someone
good
else.
babysitter.
Oh, my head hurts.
What?
Because
Hold on,
remember,
hold on.
Nina,
Who's
I keep
who's
telling
coming
you-
next year? Tata said he's coming next year. Can we go to Hyatt this time?
Assuming you're still alive. Yes.
Fun.
what
I
do you
got
want?
my destiny.
So how's life?
Now I can go back to the
Kuya.
Please. Mommy, I am
Because-
my destiny.
Uh-huh.
I miss you so much. How are you? My baby boy.
Now we can go back.
Nina, look at the baby boy.
Better after I've walked a bit.
You walk a bit.
Yeah.
He
Love, love, it's 8 o'clock. Would you like to come with us to dinner? And then
Yeah.
you
Yes,
go
I want to
to
eat something.
I'm gonna come with you.
I haven't eaten a
Where do you
single
want to go
dinner.
eat?
Denny's, of course.
Denny's? Oh my god.
It's my favorite. Come on, let's
Come
go.
on.
Last time I had Denny's, I ate shit myself.
Stop it. This is then don't eat something that make you shit. There's so
I ate whole grain pancakes and that was bad.
Come on, Nemo, come
Let's
here.
go, guys.
Well, I
Let's
guess
go.
it's gonna be better here
Nemo, turn on the
because
lights and get the phone.
they have a restaurant that's one
Nemo,
step
come here.
lower over
Nemo,
here.
turn on the lights there. Turn on the lights. And get my phone turned off. And come here. Let's go selfie here in the bed. All together, Tatay.
Oh, Mom, you didn't try Waffle House?
What?
You didn't try Waffle House?
I tried it in the Philippines.
Nina, get the phone.
Waffle House?
Yeah, there's a Waffle House in the Philippines. Nina,
They
come
beat
here.
you up?